My name's Bob Hampe. I'm President and CEO of Actall Corp. Roles and responsibilities really just keep the ship pointed in the right direction and make sure that we've got enough wind in the sails, I guess is the best way to put it. Before we started with Grasslands, I knew we should do more on LinkedIn, we should do more on the website, we should do more in any one of the venues that are out there that give us some sort of public exposure. But starting, I think, was the hardest part. We had zero ability. I was resigned to the fact that the only way you got things published was you paid somebody $3,000 and sent them your stuff, and that was the deal. Or if you wanted a press release, you just paid for it and you put it out there. I see the end product of what Grasslands has done for a number of brands that are out in the marketplace, but I really didn't have appreciation for how that came together until we kind of sat down and he walked me through it. I couldn't tell you what before we talked. I didn't know what a journalism-minded agency was. Honestly, I'm not sure I had a great idea what PR was. I knew we had a story we needed to tell, and in order to get to where we want to be in 2 or 3 years at that time, we had to have more credibility out in the marketplace. We had to start telling our story now. Up until our relationship with Grasslands, we haven't spent any time talking about us. When we enter that market, when we come in, we have to present ourselves to the users in that marketplace as if we've been doing it forever. And that's really what this whole plan with Grasslands is about, is to start laying that groundwork and airing it one brick at a time. When we get there, there's a finished structure that the end users can go see and they go, these guys have great technology, and look, they have a pedigree for doing this. They didn't show up yesterday. We're in a highly regulated, highly technical environment, and we have to have people that have the capacity to analyze that, understand it, and tell the story. And to me, Grasslands has been doing that all along. The relationship with Grasslands has allowed us to become immediate players in that business and up our traffic, up our exposure, and ultimately up our value. The result is where we're at today. We're well on the way to getting to where we want to get to.